Hi everyone, welcome back to Ray Reviews. Are you in the market for a new smartwatch but torn between the Google Pixel Watch 2 and the Apple Watch? You have clicked on the right video because today we are diving deep into why the Google Pixel Watch 2 is not just a worthy competitor but arguably the better choice. Stay tuned in as we break down features, performance, and pricing, and don't forget to check the Amazon link in the description to grab yours at the best deal. So let's first talk about what makes Google Pixel Watch 2 special. The Pixel Watch 2 features the Fitbit integration, and it's a powerhouse for health tracking with Fitbit's industry-leading sensors. You get real-time heart rate tracking, SpO2 levels, sleep tracking, and stress management. Sleek circular design with customizable straps and an edge-to-edge AMOLED display that looks stunning. And let's not forget the Google ecosystem. With the seamless integration with Google services like Assistant Maps and Google Pay, it is perfect for Android users. While Apple is known for its polished interface and seamless iOS pairing, it lacks in areas like the battery life and compatibility outside of the Apple ecosystem. So while we are talking about the battery life, one major advantage of the Google Pixel 2 Watch 2 is around that area. When we talk about Apple Watch, you're looking at around 18 to 24 hours on a single charge. This means daily charging is mandatory. However, for Pixel Watch 2, it offers you up to 36 hours. So you can go an extra day without reaching for the charger. This is perfect for busy people who don't want to constantly think about battery levels. Imagine tracking your sleep at night without worrying about whether your watch will die before morning. All right, let's talk about health and fitness. Health and fitness are where the Pixel Watch 2 really shine thanks to its Fitbit integration. While the Apple Watch does offer fitness tracking, but with Fitbit's algorithms are considered more advanced for sleep stages, stress monitoring, and heart health insights. And with Pixel Watch 2, you can track stress in real time with notifications, it offers detailed workout metrics, and even provides recovery advice. It's like having a personal health coach on your wrist. So whether you are a seasoned athlete or just trying to stay fit, the Pixel Watch 2 is built to adapt to your goals. Now, let's talk about the price and the value because that's important. So the Apple Watch Series 9 starts at close to $399 and can go up to $800 for an Ultra version, while the Pixel Watch 2 starts at $349 and often it goes on sale, especially on Amazon. Check the link in the description for details. With the Pixel Watch 2, you are not only saving money, but also gaining access to Fitbit Premium for 6 months included in the package. That's an extra value Apple doesn't offer. Hence, which is a better choice? So if you're an Android user, the Pixel Watch 2 is a no-brainer. It's a tight integration with Google's ecosystem, superior fitness tracking, longer battery life, and lowest price point, making it the better choice for most users. Even if you are comparing head-to-head with the Apple Watch, the Pixel Watch 2 holds its own and in some area it outperforms. So what are you waiting for? The Google Pixel Watch 2 is a game changer for anyone looking for a stylish, feature-packed smartwatch. Check out the Amazon link in the description to get your Pixel Watch today and don't miss out on exclusive deals. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech comparison and reviews. See you in the next one.